Hello, Derek.
Hey, Kenny.
How are you doing?
All right.
All right. Can I just mention something? Whoever invented the knock-knock joke should get an award.
All right. Yeah, aye. Like what?
Like what? Like the Nobel Prize.
No. Hey, that's a good one. No, it's good. Last week, our lass surprised me with a new rifle for our anniversary. A new rifle, aye. I but the bugger missed me, Kenny.
We took our grandma to one of them spas where the fish eat the dead skin.
All right. Oh, that was different.
It was different, yeah. Yeah, it's so much cheaper than a funeral, Derek.
Actually, before my grandmother died, we tried lots of different remedies to try and help her over her illness.
You did?
Yeah, lots.
Wow.
We even covered her in lard.
In lard?
Wow,
Derek.
But she went downhill fast, Kenny.
Brilliant. Can I just ask, can I have a couple of weeks off since it's Christmas, Derek?
Couple of weeks. It's May, Kenny. It's May.
It's May. Oh, sorry, Derek. Okay, then. May I have a couple of weeks off since it's Christmas?
Anyway, we're going to be singing today. We're going to be playing today. We're going to be playing "Singing in the Rain."
Ooh, was an old tune.
Right.
1929, I think I was.
As far back as that.
Yeah.
All right.
With lyrics by Arthur Freed.
Right.
But he did. The tune was by Herb Brown.
All right.
You go back nearly 100 years.
I remember Gene Kelly in 1952.
Yes.
Through all the puddles
yes,
and the gutters and that.
Where he got pneumonia, didn't he?
Yeah, I think he did actually, because there was quite a few takes.
It took him quite a bit to do that, didn't it? But
Yeah.
1950, 2 years before that film,
Right.
Dean Martin
He sang
sang the tune.
All right.
And while he was singing the tune, maybe this is where they got it for in 1952,
Right.
Jerry Lewis was throwing buckets of water on him.
Aye, because they were repairing them
To repair them to at that time. So
anyway,
that's maybe
that's
where
good.
they got the really, you know,
Right, aye. Singing in the Rain.
singing them in. Look forward to that.
Good.
That's brilliant. You sing in the rain, Derek?
I don't sing, Kenny, because I sing as flat as a fart.
Oh, dear.